What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick short video. We're going to be installing the Chase-based power steering kit. So it's a pretty straightforward installation. It's not that hard. That being said, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to install the Chase-based power steering kit after it took like a month and a half to get here. And we're going to start off by installing the lines that go on the rack down there, right here. So I went ahead and took off the old ones when the engine was out just to make things easier. So you're gonna get two of these fittings, which are gonna go in the rack right there. So you can see right here and right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these and show you guys. Okay, so you get two of these fittings. The one with the little rubber O-ring is the return. So this one without it is going to be the high pressure, and the high pressure goes on the one closest to the motor mount, which is that one right there. Alright guys, so I got the two fittings in. Remember, that's the high pressure, that's the low pressure. So now I'm going to take the low pressure hose and we're actually going to put it on the reservoir first just to make it easier, and then I'm going to put that end on the fitting down there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the high pressure line. Remember, it's the fitting closest to that mount, so that one that I'm pointing at with the line, and it's gonna go on the pump right here. So we're gonna take out this, and you do need these two washers, and luckily it comes with new ones, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these new ones, cut off that zip tie, and we're gonna put it in there and on that first fitting. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so the high pressure line is on. Remember, a washer goes on this side and on this side, so you do need two washers. It does come with both of them, and then you run it down into the rack, the first one, and next we're gonna do the return, which is on the reservoir. Alright guys, so there you go. Reservoir is all mounted up, got all the lines running through it. Tighten up that clamp, make sure it's good, tighten everything, make sure it doesn't leak. Make sure you get your two washers in there, one on each side. Down on the rack, we're good. So that's how it's gonna sit. Now I did mess up and I bought the wrong one, because originally I was gonna put it somewhere over here, but I didn't know it was a different part. I thought they just gave you the hose and then you cut it to your size, but they gave us that small one, this one, and this is the best place I can put it for now. Maybe later we'll get a different hose, but that's how it's gonna be right now. Now the problem is this intake pipe isn't gonna fit because of all those lines, but we'll figure something out. We'll leave that for another video. But that's pretty much it for the Chase-based kit. Pretty straightforward, nice quality everything, all those AN fittings. Now hopefully this doesn't leak, and hopefully I have power steering again. Alright guys, and that's how it's gonna look with the intercooler pipe on and the Chase-based kit. It's enough clearance, so it won't hit. Should be good. So that's gonna be it for now. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna put that intake. And just like always, Chris over there doing nothing. Man, we gotta clean up this garage. Alright, so there you guys have it. A little short video. I apologize if the video did feel a little bit rushed. That was not my intention. I apologize for that. I was just a little bit excited, to be honest. But there you go. Quick little install. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure you guys get those fittings right and the lines go into the correct fitting on the rack. But pretty simple install. Thank you guys so much for watching. And any questions you guys have, just leave a comment. I do reply to all you guys' comments. So any questions you might have on whatever, whether it be the engine, suspension, any question you guys have, just go ahead and ask. Also, you guys, your support has been amazing. I've been asking you guys help us get to 100 subscribers. As of this moment, we're at 76. So almost there. We're almost there, you guys. Your support is amazing. Share this with your friends. Spread the word. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and peace.